Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn like and unlike decimal, like decimal. The decimal number with the same number of decimal places are like decimal. Now I am repeating again. Like decimal, the like decimal numbers with the same number of the decimal places are called like decimal. Unlike decimal. First, we will write the definition of like decimal. Like decimal, the decimal number with the same decimal places same decimal places are like decimal. Example. Examples are 0.7, 9.2, 0.7, 9.2 and 10.3, 10.3, 100.8. Now first we will see all 0.7, 9.2, 10.3 and 100.8. 100.8 all have one decimal places because point it is hundreds, tens, tens and tens. These have only one have decimal place. Now, more examples are 0.96, 0.72, 2.18 and 3.87. These have after decimal two places 0.96, 0.72, 2.18 and 3.87. These decimals have same numbers after the decimal. These have two decimals. So these are also like decimal. Now, unlike decimal. Unlike decimal. What is unlike decimal? Unlike decimals are the decimal number with different decimal places are unlike decimal. Now I am repeating again. All the decimal number with different decimal places are unlike decimal. Examples is 0.9, 0.74, 1.384 because these decimals have after decimal one place, one decimal and there is three decimals, three numbers of the after of the decimal. So these decimals are not like. These are different. Now take one more example. 1.56, 2.192 and 3.1689. Now we will see every number after decimal. There is two numbers after decimal. There is three numbers after decimal and there is 4 digits after decimal. So 2, 3, 4. These are not like decimal. Now take one more example. Example is 2.7, 0.37, 1.587, 2.391. Now, first we will see first number 0.7, 0.37, 1.587 and 2.319. These decimals have different, so this is not like fraction, this is the unlike fraction. All numbers have different places. All numbers have different places, so it is called unlike decimal. Now, equivalent places. Equivalent decimals. Equivalent decimals. Equivalent decimal, unlike decimal, can be converted into like decimal by adding as many zeros to the right of the last digit after decimal point. Unlike decimal can be converted into like decimal to put the zeros after right hand side after the decimal. Right? Example 3.71, 3.5, 4.35, 0. And these decimals are different. 7, 1.5.350. These are different. So how to make the equivalent decimal? If we will put 0 from the right hand side in the decimal point, so these will be in equivalent decimal. Now we will start 3.71 because more number of are there. 350. These are after 3 numbers of decimal. So we will make every decimal in 3 numbers after decimal. 7, 0. Now these are both equal. 710 and these are 3 and these are 3. So it both are made like decimal. Now next is 3.500. Now it has after decimal 3 digits. Now 4.350. It has all decimals 3 numbers after decimal, so it is like in equivalent decimal. Now take one more example. 52531, 2.150, 3.1. So these have different numbers after the decimal. How to make this equal? If we will put zeros of right hand side, so these will be make equivalent decimal. 5.2531. It is largest decimal. Now next is 2.15000. These have 4 digits after decimal. These have also 4 digits after decimal. Now next is 3.1000. So now these have same numbers after the decimal. Now these decimal have in equivalent decimals. Now next is comparing decimal. How to compare the decimal? Change. First we will change like decimal to unlike decimal to like decimal. Comparing decimal. Comparing decimal. compare of the decimal. First step is change unlike decimal into like decimal. Like decimal. Second step is the number with greater whole number part is greater. The number with whole number with greater whole number part is whole number part is greater. Example like 13.56. There is 26.03. We will compare which numbers are whole. There is 13 and there is 26. So first we will compare the whole number. 26 is greater, so we will write 26.03 is greater than the 13.56. Now third step is if the whole number part is same more than one number, the whole number is same the part of same in more than one number. In more than one number. Example is 6.5. Second example is 5.6. 5.6. So 6.5 and 5.6. We know 6 is greater than 5. So 6.5 is greater than 5.6. Now these three steps are comparing of the decimal numbers. First step is change unlike decimal into like decimal. Second step is the number with greater, the whole number part is greater. So example is this. Now 3, the whole number is same, the part of the same in more than the number. Example 6.5 and 5.6. We know 6 is greater than 5. So 6.5 is greater than 5.6. Now take some more example of comparison of the decimal. First is 61. Compare 61.53 and 61.76. These are in whole number 61 and 61. But after point 53, 53 and 76. So 61 and 61 both are the whole number. And 61.76, 61 is also whole number. They are same, 61 and 61. So we have to compare the decimal because both are the same. Now we will compare the decimal 0.53 and 0.76. 0.53 and 0.76. Digit at the tens place. First we will see digit at the tens place. There is 5 is on tens place and other is 7 is on tens place. So, which is greater, 5 or 7? 7 is greater than 5. So, which decimal is greater? 61.76 is greater than 61.53. Now, take one more example. 47.5 and 47.5 and 47.500. 47.5 and 47.5, because there is 47 and 47, both are the same whole number, and 5 and 5. After decimal, both are the 5. Two zeros are added to write in this 47.5, because we will make the like decimal both 500, and it is also 47.500. Both are the same, so these decimals are equal. So students, I hope you have understood, and to practice comparison of the number, like and unlike of the decimal. Thank you and have a nice day.